How to change video ratio on Filmora. To change video ratio on Filmora, you have to click on Files from the left top corner here, File, and from here you have to click on Project Settings, and this pop-up window will open. You can see aspect ratio. If you click on drop down menu, you can see many aspect ratio. You can choose any one you want. Suppose I want to choose 9:16 for YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. Now one thing here is you can customize your aspect ratio whatever you want. By typing here, you can convert it to any ratio you want. Now click on OK. Now you can see that the ratio has already changed. Now if you want to remove this black space, just select the video and click on basic. To remove this, you have to increase the scale, and you can use the wheel of your mouse to increase the scale. Just select and keep scrolling your wheel, and the scale will increase, and you can see that the black space is going out. Now you can adjust the video as you want. Subscribe the channel to get more videos like this. Thank you.